Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The moment we've been waiting for is here. The US unemployment numbers are coming out. Last time these numbers were released, we saw a massive shock with significant losses across crypto markets, and Bitcoin briefly dipped below $50,000. Today, we have new data that might give us some direction. What's the chance we won't see a crash? How would I assess this situation? Let's dive into various indicators and discuss the potential risks and rewards. Today will be a bit longer video than usual while we mention some macro data. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Today's initial jobless claims in the US were slightly better than expected, coming in at 227,000 against a forecast of 231,000. This improvement might suggest the economy isn't as dire as feared, potentially stabilizing the market sentiment. Just on the 2nd of August, the numbers were in the red with 243,000 jobless claims against forecasted 236,000. However, the consensus still leans towards a slight improvement in unemployment rates, which could mean a mixed bag for Bitcoin. Considering the broader economic context, with high interest rates pulling money out of circulation, businesses under pressure, and inflation being tackled through reduced wages, the unemployment rate is expected to rise. This scenario paints a cautious outlook for tomorrow's numbers. Despite the slight optimism from today's data, the overall economic environment suggests we might see a market reaction if these numbers don't meet expectations. Given the current market sentiment, I'm not expecting a catastrophic crash like the Black Monday we saw. Instead, I'm cautiously optimistic but prepared for volatility. If the numbers are worse than expected, we might see a shakeout, especially with short-term holders at peak levels. This could lead to a drop but not necessarily a crash. If the numbers are good or even if they're neutral, market makers might still push prices down due to the high funding rates, indicating a lot of long positions. Despite Bitcoin's hammer, it's still below key moving averages, notably the 5 EMA. This suggests the market might not be ready for a reversal just yet. Bitcoin's been testing this level, hinting at more potential sell-off. The weekly chart indicates a sell signal with bearish momentum. Closing below $56,000 on CME might mean more downside next week. The stochastics back this up, making a close above $62,400 unlikely today. September often hits its low mid-month, keeping us in a bearish phase. If Bitcoin breaks key supports, we could see it approach the $40,000 mark. The August jobs report added 142,000 jobs, below expectations but showed a decrease in unemployment to 4.2%. This mixed bag could support either a quarter or half-point rate cut by the Fed, signaling a cautious approach to monetary policy. Investors are now eyeing next week's inflation data for further clues. Today's close is pivotal. Below $56,000 signals more declines. Above $59,000 might offer some hope, but we're not there yet. The jobs report adds complexity to the Fed's decision, potentially affecting market sentiment. Stay vigilant, and let's navigate this together. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our next update. And see you in the next one.